If you are looking for how to add background image in Word only one page, then don't skip this video. So here I have 8 pages and I'm going to the view and click on the multiple pages. Now you can see that I have 8 pages. So when I click on the page color and go to the page color and click on the fill effects and click on the picture, select the picture and from file and select the picture. For example, insert, click OK. And here you can see that this picture is inserted on all 8 pages. So, but our question is how to insert only one page. So let me undo that and I'll give you. So for this, you need to go to the insert and click on the text box and here draw text box and insert the text box in the first page and adjust it according to the page width and length. And now right click on the dot of this page and click on the format shape. And here you need to select no line in the line section and in the fill section go to the picture or textures and select insert from file and now select this picture and click on insert and now you can see that this picture is inserted only one page. So you can also drag it and adjust in the page according to the need. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.